The second-generation BMW Z4 was introduced in the belief that its bigger dimensions, a folding hardtop, its predecessor had a fabric roof, and adjustable steering, throttle and chassis settings were essential ingredients to make it appeal to a wider audience. Even the plush cabin now offers more room and better visibility for those wanting a tourer as well as a roadster. This is a very grown-up kind of car. The BMW Z4 is sold with a narrow range of high-output engines. The smallest in the lineup is a 2.0-liter, which is sold with outputs of 181 bhp or 242 bhp. Then there's a 6-cylinder 2.5-liter unit that offers 201 bhp, and the rest of the range is filled by a 3.0-liter engine that's available in 3 states of tune: 255 bhp, 302 bhp and 335 bhp. As is the new norm with BMW, the Z4's nomenclature bears no relation to engine size. The S-Drive 18i, 20i and 28i get the 2.0-liter units, the S-Drive 23i gets the 2.5-liter, and the 3.0-liter models are badged S-Drive 30i, S-Drive 35i and S-Drive 35is. So performance is a top priority for the Z4. But is the multitude of new technologies and the arrival of a folding hardtop really enough to make the second-generation Z4 live up to BMW's claims of a car that can morph from comfortable yet sporty cruiser through to outright performance car?